Hi, I'm Jordan. I'm one of the founders of Vapi, short for Voice API. We started this company about a year and a half ago after we were previously working on a company that we just weren't super excited about. And in that time, it was really difficult. And so I tried building myself an AI therapist to go on walks with every day. I would spend 2 hours a day talking to my AI therapist, the rest of the day building it. I was really frustrated with how fast it was and how slow and clunky and shitty it was. And I think I realized, I think the world just wants to be able to talk to technology like it's people. But for some reason, even though we have generative models that do sound and behave like people, every time I call customer support or talk to our devices or whatever, it still sounds like garbage. So why is this the case? Well, it's because it takes all this shit to get these voice models to production. You need to chain them all together and make them sound human. You need to make them deterministic and cover all of your normal conversation workflows that a normal human would undergo. You need to plug it into your enterprise data systems to pull up appointment scheduling, etc. And then you need to plug all of it up into your actual telephony or product itself. It's a lot of shit that you have to build. So our mission is to bend the arc of technology back to voice. And so what does that mean more tangibly? It means that we're a developer platform that makes it really easy to deploy voice agents. So all of this stuff is just one API call. So it's super simple. I have a super quick demo on my phone, and I hope it goes well, because live audio demos are a little tricky. Here we go.
Hi, Jordan. Is this on your flight tomorrow?
Yeah, I think I'm going to miss it. Can I move it?
No worries. I can help you with that. Sure, I can help with that. How about we look at flights on the same day? Just a little later, around 2 p.m. or maybe around 5 p.m. Do either of those times work for you?
Yeah, can we do 5 p.m.?
Great. Great choice. Your flight has been rescheduled for 5 p.m. Have a safe flight.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
All right. Thank you. The look feedback from the audio caused some clips there, but you kind of get the idea. It follows a deterministic conversation workflow. These are some of our customers. We work with everybody from tens of thousands of developers to hundreds of startups to some public companies. We grew really quickly. We were in the top 1% of revenue growth of all companies raising over the past 3 months. We got to 4 million in about 6 months. I think that's a bit outdated. We got to 5 million in 7 months. And we recently raised our Series A. And we did AI grant, YC, and this growth is all organic. We do nothing to bring these people. They just keep coming a little too fast. That's why we're hiring. So we are closing enterprise customers every week. We closed 3 on Monday. We have a startup ecosystem that's sprouting up on our platform of tons of people's building cool stuff. We grow 100% organically, like I said, thanks to our developer community. About 5,000 to 6,000 people in our Discord kind of hanging out and helping each other out. So the 3 products that we have right now are scale, determinism, and deployment. Scale, we have a lot of customers who want to run a shit ton of calls. And it's really hard to do that. And you're scaling stateful real-time resources, which is kind of an exotic architecture. Determinism, how do you make sure these agents do what they're supposed to? And then lastly, deployment. How do we make sure enterprises can get up and running as fast as possible? This is our team. They told me to put a bunch of smiling faces, but we're hiring so quickly, I actually don't have pictures of everybody, but just imagine 13 people on that slide. But this is me and my co-founder. We're an all in-person technical team of 12 based in San Francisco. We're hiring for everything, apparently, including a recruiter, so we can hire faster. So, and actually, yesterday we added a founding designer too. So just imagine it says founding designer. But yeah, across the board, especially infrastructure engineering, that's our most dire need since we're scaling so fast. This is our special email for founders you should know. If you send an email to this, you'll skip ahead to an interview screen instead of having to, wait in line with the whole applicants thing. Or you can just text me. That's my phone number, so feel free to take a picture. But yeah, thank you so much for your time.